The Circle of Influence, a model taken from Stephen Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. All of us have a wide range of concerns in our lives: our housing, our health, our friends and family, the environment, how to lose weight, animal rights, how to put on weight, etc., etc. Within this whole universe of our concerns, there are some things we can influence and some things we can only stay concerned about. What we do have is a choice about where we focus our attention and energy. We can choose to focus all our attention on the area that is outside our influence. We can get annoyed about the shortcomings of other people. We can blame government, global capitalism, the weather, a rotten childhood, bad luck, or even fluoride in toothpaste. This focus leads to more and more blaming and accusing and to feelings of victimization. This negative way of thinking, accompanied by inaction to change things, results in the circle of influence shrinking. Alternatively, we can choose to focus on things that we can influence. This does not mean just the more immediate or trivial concerns. It might mean focusing on those aspects of really huge problems that we can exert some influence over. Influence does not mean direct control. We can influence things in an indirect way, for example, in our own personal, daily behavior. By focusing attention and energy on the circle of influence, we become increasingly proactive. The energy we expend is enlarging. Each little victory motivates us to find new ways of exerting influence. We don't waste energy on things we can do nothing about, but we direct it towards what we can change. With each step, we feel stronger and more creative, and so our circle of influence expands. It often happens that in widening our circle of influence, we also widen our circle of concern. It becomes worth caring about some of the really challenging things in our world if we learn that we can influence them. It can be incredibly liberating to realize that, in choosing how to respond to circumstances, we affect those circumstances.